Mastering life's lessons through dog training. Discover patience, balance, and companionship. In the heart of a bustling city, where the cacophony of daily life seldom dwindles, there existed a sanctuary of calm. A small, unassuming park, bordered by ancient oaks and maples, whose leaves whispered secrets of old. Here, amidst the dance of light and shadow, walked Jonah, a man whose life had been as tumultuous as the city he called home. With him trotted Bailey, a spirited dog whose presence was both a challenge and a comfort to Jonah's solitude. Jonah had discovered Bailey, or perhaps it was Bailey who had discovered Jonah, on a cold, unforgiving night. The dog was a mere shadow then, a wisp of being, embodying the very essence of the Taoist wisdom that teaches, being and nonbeing produce each other. In Bailey's eyes, Jonah found a mirror to his own soul, a reflection of his journey from the depths of despair to the glimmer of hope. Their bond was not without its trials. The easy walks in the park were often preceded by days of difficulty, where Bailey's unbridled energy clashed with Jonah's need for peace. Yet, it was through these challenges that Jonah came to understand the depth of the Taoist teachings. The difficult is born in the easy, and so it was with Bailey. Each tug of the leash, each misstep, brought Jonah closer to understanding the essence of companionship and the beauty of patience. Long is defined by short, the high by the low, the quote continued. Jonah's journey with Bailey was a testament to this balance. For every moment of frustration, there was an equal moment of joy, a reminder that the highs of life are only made sweeter by the lows. Bailey, with his boundless energy and zest for life, taught Jonah to cherish the fleeting moments, to find the extraordinary in the ordinary. Their walks in the park became a dance of shadows and light, a physical manifestation of before and after go along with each other. Jonah learned to live in the present, guided by Bailey's unwavering focus on the now, the next scent, the next squirrel, the next moment of dynamic stillness. As seasons changed, so did Jonah and Bailey, each growing, learning, and finding balance within the chaos of existence. The park, with its ancient trees and whispered secrets, bore witness to their transformation. It was a reminder that in every ending lies a new beginning, in every challenge lies an opportunity, and in every moment of companionship, a chance to rediscover the world through eyes other than our own. In the end, Jonah realized that Bailey was not just a dog, but a teacher, a guide on his path to understanding the profound simplicity of the Taoist wisdom. Being and non-being produce each other. The difficult is born in the easy. Long is defined by short, the high by the low. Before and after go along with each other. In the quiet of the park, under the canopy of oaks and maples, Jonah found peace. And in Bailey, he found the key to navigating the complexities of life, with patience, with grace, and with a heart open to the lessons of the journey.